A very good morning, class. Today we are going to begin with the first chapter of your maths book, Integers. Integers is an extension of the chapter which you have learned in class 6th. We will be learning more things in what you have learned in your previous class. So first let's start with the term. So integers. Can anyone tell me what does natural numbers mean? What is natural number? Yes.
All the numbers except 0 are natural numbers.
Means if I say starting from 1 and moving to positive infinity, am I right or wrong?
Ma'am, right.
Right? 1,
Ma'am,
2,
right.
3. That means it does not, if we will move in the direction of the positive numbers and without ending, all are natural numbers. Right? Switch off the speaker. Switch off the speaker. So then, if it is a natural number, then what is her whole number? What is a whole number?
Ma'am, all the numbers are including 0.
Yes.
Numbers with 0.
That means if we add a 0 to the series in the left hand side, right? We have just added a 0, means we are starting from 0 and moving till positive infinity, right? So these are
Yes,
what? Whole numbers. What are these?
Ma'am, whole numbers.
Whole numbers. Now,
Whole numbers.
Then finally, what are integers? Integers are, you can see what? We are moving not only in positive infinity direction, but we are moving in the negative infinity direction also. Please switch off the speakers. We are not only moving in the positive direction, but we are moving in the, at the same time, in which direction? We are moving in the negative direction also, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Right or wrong? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now, then what is a 0? Is it an integer?
No, yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Is it positive or negative?
Ma'am, it is neither positive nor negative.
Ma'am,
Not
neither
negative.
positive
Very
nor
good.
negative.
Very good. It's neither a negative, it's neither positive nor negative, but it is an integer. Means it's a unique integer, right or wrong? It's a
Yes,
unique.
ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So you know most of the things. So let's take some examples of integers from real life, right? Height and depth.
Okay.
Can you tell me which is positive, which is negative?
Ma'am, height is positive and depth is negative.
Positive and depth is positive.
Okay. I'm ending the debate. Right. Height is what is? For example, if it is a 0 line, means ground level is 0. If we are moving above the ground level towards the sky, right? So it is what? Height. That means what? If it is 0, we are moving up in the number line direction, right or wrong?
Yes, ma'am.
So these are positive integers. Ground level, sea level. You have heard the words ground level, sea level. So we take a ground level or sea level as 0. What we take it as? What we take it as?
0. We have taken as ground level, sea level 0.
Yes, whenever in a question it is said as it's a ground level or it is at sea level. So what we are saying, the position of the object is at 0, right? Okay. And if we are moving inside the ground or inside water, inside a well from ground level or sea level, so what we are moving? Moving to the depth, and depth is negative. Understood? Understood the concept of height and depth?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So if in the word problem height and depth will be given, so height numbers will be positive integers and value of depth will be what? Negative integers.
Ma'am,
Negative integers.
Clear? Okay, let's move to the next concept. Next is direction. Another thing which we commonly observe is direction, and we can get confused which one to take, which direction to take positive and which direction to take negative. So with this figure you can understand very well. See, what we are going, moving towards north, right or wrong? So how, what is
Yes,
it?
ma'am.
North means up, north means up,
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
means positive.
Yes, ma'am.
Right. Now, if I'm moving towards south, right? Moving from towards south, so what? Moving down. Down means
Negative.
understood the concept? Now,
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
again, if I'm moving towards east, ma'am, that is what? We are moving towards right. Right or wrong? And right means
Yes.
positive.
Positive.
Similarly, if I'm moving towards west, moving towards
Ma'am, negative.
left, and it will
Ma'am,
be
negative.
So would you will get confused now? अब confusion
No,
होगा?
ma'am.
No, ma'am. No,
ये
ma'am.
diagram समझ में आया?
Yes,
अब कोई
ma'am.
में confusion तो नहीं होगा?
No,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay, let's see
No,
one
ma'am.
more. Profit and loss. Profit is means if you have some money and if the money added, profit or loss, it is the add-on money? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So means we are getting some money, so it will be what? Adding to us, and adding means what?
Ma'am, positive.
Positive.
Loss means more
Not positive.
money is getting moved out, right? Right or
Yes,
wrong?
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
That is money deducted, right? So what
Yes,
is
ma'am.
happening?
Yes, ma'am.
So it will
Ma'am,
be
negative.
minus or plus?
Negative.
Ma'am, minus.
Ma'am, negative.
Negative. So whenever you say a profit value, so what we take it as plus. Whenever we say a loss value, then it is a sign of minus. Understood this? Okay, I will not show you in the diagram, but you will be telling me. Let's see, have you understood? Temperature increasing. If it is a case of temperature and I say temperature is increasing, what will be the situation?
Ma'am, positive.
Positive. And for decreasing?
Ma'am, negative.
Ma'am,
So, understood the real life examples? Okay, one more. Let's see. What do you say? In a bank, the money is debited. Money is debited. So, is it positive or negative? Is it positive or negative? Positive or negative?
Ma'am, negative.
Negative. Debited means moving out and credited means moving in. So, these are some real life examples. You can explore more. These are some of the real life examples which I have given you. You can explore more from your sites. Am I clear? Okay, let's move to the next. Just now we saw representation of integers on number line. So, am I right with the representation? Am I right? See,
Yes,
on
ma'am.
a number line, 0 is the center point. If we move towards 0 to right, all are positive integers in increasing order, and if we move from 0 towards left, all the numbers are in negative integers, but they are decreasing. So as a whole, if I say that when we move on a number line towards right, what? Towards right, the value of the numbers are increasing. And if I move from right towards left, the value of numbers are decreasing. What does mean? That minus 3 is less than minus 2 and the value of minus 2 is less than minus 1. Minus 1 is less than 0. 0 value is less than 1 and 1's value is less than 2 and the value of 2 is less than 3. Am I clear?
Yes, ma'am.
So if I say it's minus 2, Greater or less than 3. What will be your answer?
Ma'am, less.
Less. Understood the concept? So number line के right की तरफ जाते हैं, जितना हम right की तरफ जाते हैं, value of the number increases, and as we move towards left of the number line, the value of the numbers decreases. Am I clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
Let's
ma'am.
move to the next one. Successor of any integer. So means plus 1. If a is an integer and if I add 1 to the integer, I will be getting the next number. Now let's take. See, 21 is a positive number. I am adding 1 to the 21. So it's what? 22.
22.
But
22.
positive integer. But the case of negative integer, what is happening? Minus 21 plus 1. So,
Ma'am, minus 20.
minus
Ma'am,
20.
minus 20.
Any confusion? Why minus 20? Any confusion? Why minus 20 or understood?
Ma'am, understood.
Understood. Just now we saw the number line, right or wrong? Moving plus towards.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, what is the case of predecessor is a minus 1 equals to b. Means what? We are deducting 1 from the integer and moving one step towards left. Right? Moving one step towards left. So, in case of positive integers, 21 minus 1 is 20. Right? One step towards
Yes,
left.
ma'am.
And that is a positive integer. And for negative integers, again moving one step towards left. Right? Moving
Yes,
one
ma'am.
Yes.
Then it will be minus 20. Any confusion?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No? So let's move to the
No,
next
ma'am.
one. Absolute value of an integer. So see, absolute value means if we ignore the sign of the integer and just write the number, it's an absolute value. अगर हम ये दो sign, and this sign is called as mod. What we call it? This sign as mod.
Ma'am,
Let's see
voice
what
is
is that.
cracking.
Okay, just see the screen. If it is a positive integer, see, I have taken 18 as a positive integer and finding out its absolute value. Since the sign of 18 is plus, since the sign of 18 is plus and we are removing the sign, so what we get the absolute number as 18. Am I clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Now,
Yes, ma'am.
let's take the case of negative integer. Minus 18. Then we just have to take the number, not the sign. So the answer is 18 again.
18.
So what is 18? So plus minus कोई भी condition हो, हमें sign नहीं देखना, उसका सिर्फ value लेनी है, sign को नहीं लेना है. समझ में आया? अगर absolute value of an integer हम लोग को find करना है तो क्या है difference? समझ में आया?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Let's take the another concept now. Addition and subtraction of two integers, very common one. Let's see some of the rules. First rule, what? Am I right or wrong? If we add a positive number to a positive number, we always get a positive integer, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So what will be
Yes,
taking?
ma'am.
4 plus 5 is 9. Sign is plus. But if it is a case of two negative integers, what will be happening? We will be getting a negative answer and we will be take the sign, right?
Yes,
Right or wrong? See, minus minus, we will be adding the absolute values and putting a negative sign. What we are doing? We are just adding the absolute values and taking the negative sign. See, minus 4 plus of minus 5. Minus 4 plus of minus 5 equals to 9. See, 4, if I add the absolute values, it's 4 plus 5, right? Absolute value of 4 is, minus 4 is 4. Class?
Yes, ma'am.
And
Yes,
absolute
ma'am.
value of minus 5 is 5, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So we are adding the absolute values and putting the sign, right or wrong?
Yes, ma'am.
Plus addition का condition समझ में आ गया, rule 1 समझ में आ गया?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
और
yes,
negative
ma'am.
वाला? नेगेटिव का और इन सॉरी एडिशन का भी और नेगेटिव का भी ना, पॉजिटिव वैल्यूज का भी नेगेटिव वैल्यूज का। अब दूसरा रूल, एक पॉजिटिव है दूसरा नेगेटिव है, या फिर पहला नेगेटिव है और दूसरा पॉजिटिव है, तो आंसर क्या होगा? प्लस माइनस। कैसे पता चले कि प्लस होगा कि माइनस होगा? लिसन टू मी वेरी प्रॉपर्ली. First of all, we will be, let's see with the example. We will be, see, there's a number 5 plus 4 minus 4. Am I right? Am I right? How
Yes,
one?
ma'am.
What we did, we took out the difference, not subtraction. I'm not using the word sub. अच्छा, कोई बता सकता है subtraction और difference में मतलब क्या है? difference क्या है word का? दोनों शब्दों में अंतर क्या है?
Ma'am, subtraction means subtracting two numbers, and difference means the answer we get by subtracting two numbers.
We get the answer, but it totally depends on us which number we are taking first, right? जिसकी वैल्यू ज्यादा होगी, जिसकी एब्सोल्यूट वैल्यू ज्यादा होगी, उसको हम पहले रखेंगे और सेकंड पोजीशन में उसको रखेंगे जिसकी एब्सोल्यूट वैल्यू कम होगी, राइट और रॉन्ग?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
इस केस में हम सीक्वेंस चेंज नहीं कर सकते, बट सब्ट्रैक्शन के केस में हम सीक्वेंस चेंज नहीं कर सकते, राइट और रॉन्ग? सो वी आर फाइंडिंग आउट द डिफरेंस हियर, so of the absolute values. तो 4 और 5 का डिफरेंस कितना होता है?
Ma'am, 1.
1.
Ma'am, 1.
अब बताओ कौन सी एब्सोल्यूट वैल्यू बड़ी है, 4 या 5?
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
5.
5.
तो 5 का क्या साइन है?
Ma'am, positive.
तो हमारा आंसर क्या हुआ? 1. बात समझ, अब कॉन्सेप्ट समझ में आया? कैसे?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
कैसे?
ma'am.
एक और, ठीक है, एक और एग्जांपल देखते हैं. देखो, 4 प्लस -5 इक्वल्स टू -1 कैसे आया? कोई बता सकता है? मुझे समझा सकता है? अभी मैंने जैसे समझाया. हाँ
Ma'am, because the difference of 4 and absolute value of 5 is subtract. So, ma'am, answer will be negative.
Right.
5 is greater than 4, so ma'am, we used minus sign before.
Very good. So all of you have understood the concept. Am I clear? All of you understood the concept of subtraction, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Let's move to the next thing. Now we are taking the case of, previously these all were the condition of addition, right? Now is the condition for subtraction. What is happening? When we open, if there is a minus sign before a bracket, the sign changes. मेरी बात समझ में आई? अगर एक माइनस साइन ब्रैकेट के बाहर है तो ब्रैकेट के अंदर का साइन चेंज हो जाता है. दिख रहा है साइन चेंज हो गया?
Yes,
अगर
ma'am.
प्लस होगा तो माइनस हो जाएगा, अगर अंदर माइनस होगा तो प्लस हो जाएगा. Am I clear? तो क्या होगा? 5 minus of -4. So this minus sign changes to plus and it becomes 5 plus 4. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
And the answer
Yes,
is
ma'am.
9. Now, पहले वाले में माइनस साइन था, अब था प्लस, तो प्लस में क्या हो जाएगा? प्लस का उल्टा क्या होता है? माइनस.
Minus.
तो एब्सोल्यूट वैल्यू तो वही रह जाएगी. तो क्या होगा? 5 minus 4. कोई चेंज होगा? नहीं. 5 minus 4 equals to 9. Understood? Sorry, the answer is 1. Sorry, the answer is 1. 5 minus 4 is 1. Am I clear? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Some of the exercises, question from your book, and then I will be giving you homework. Let's see. Can you tell me which sign will be here? Fast. Less than, greater than, or equal to?
Ma'am, less than. Ma'am,
Which
less
one?
than.
8 is less than 11.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Let's see one more exam question. -11, less than, greater than, or equal to 0?
Ma'am, less than. Ma'am, less than.
Very
Ma'am,
good.
less than.
Okay, one more. -8, less than, greater than, equal to -11.
Ma'am, greater than 11. Minus 11.
Very good. So you have understood the concept. Let's move to the next one. Find the absolute value of minus 19.
Ma'am, 19.
Ma'am, 19.
Mod of minus 19, that is 19. Okay, next. 307.
Ma'am, 307.
Ma'am, 307.
Mod of 307, that is 307. Okay, let's treat some addition, which we learned some. Just now we have learned some rules. Now let's see applied. Minus 15 plus of minus 27. So there's a plus sign and the series is of negative. What we will do? We will be what will happen?
Minus 15. Ma'am, minus 15 minus 27.
Yes. So minus 15 minus 27 and that gives us the answer. What? So these were the concepts and the homework for today is exercise 1 to come on. What is the homework? Exercise 1 to 10. Sorry, exercise 1.1, question 1 to 10. Exercise 1.1, question from 1 to 10. Question 1 to 10, all the concepts we have discussed today. Am I clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, and I will be giving you a PDF for these, for referring these slides, whatever slides we have discussed, I will be giving you a PDF also for that. You have to copy the PDF in your classwork copy. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
You have to copy the PDF in your classwork copy. Okay? And I will be
Yes.
yes, please.
Ma'am, first we have to do these questions in our rough copy.
No, if you want to do it in your rough copy and check yourself, then you can do it in your fair copy, but I want the fair copy to be done. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Any queries from today's lecture? Any queries from today's lecture? आज के लेक्चर से कुछ पूछना है?
No, ma'am.
No?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am. No,
Thank you and have a nice day.